Big under.
Dude, I'm holding the. Oh, shoot. Do you want me to turn the microphone on?
No.
Screen record. Conversation.
If I hold it down, it is going
Chat.
to input.
That's okay.
May.
I know what it's doing. That's okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn on the microphone just in case no one hears it.
So turn the microphone on. I'm not
SOS
putting it
control.
on.
Net locked. Here selected. Screen recording. Microphone. 3. Zello. Converse. SOS control. Locked. Here sound. Select. Select F space G. Microphone off button. Microphone on. Stop microphone on.
Well, maybe it was meant to be on.
3. Apps with Zello. Selected. Select Zello. Apps main.
Open. Wait. Alexa, stop. Alexa, open voice book.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
The current weather is 90 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today,
Alexa, set.
I miss 20 0 0 1 of 1 timers. Stop. Voice book sneak peek.
Alexa, open Audible clock.
Audible clock turns Alexa into a fun clock that tells you the time by chiming, speaking, playing a tune, or even crowing. To start an Audible clock, just tell me the name of the clock you want to use. Say something like Beethoven clock, train clock, or say, what clocks do you have? What would you like?
Westminster clock.
Mr. Clock is a term that was used to refer to a...
Ooh, forget this, bro. This again? Okay. You can stop now. You can stop now. You can stop now with the alarm sounds. Until further, yeah.
Stop. Your timer is done. Stop.
Alexa, open Audible clock.
Audible lets you experience books.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, open Audible clock.
Tick-tock. The time is 3:30 p.m. To start an Audible clock, just tell me the name of the clock you want to use. Say something like, Cow clock, Beethoven clock, or say, what clocks do you have? Now, tell me, what would you like?
Whittington clock.
Here are some results.
Alexa, cancel.
The last clock, back button. The left Bates mode, back.
Alexa, open Audible clock. Oh my God.
I'm sorry. I didn't
Alexa, open
understand.
Audible clock.
I'm sorry.
Alexa,
I didn't understand.
cancel.
Okay, to see a complete list of Audible clocks, or to leave us feedback, please visit
This is actually gonna take a while. Alexa, open Audible clock. Let's try this one more time.
Tick-tock. The time is 3:32 p.m. To start an Audible clock, just tell me the name of the clock you want to use. Say something like, Stephen Hawking, stock market clock, or say, what clocks do you have? Now, tell me, what would you like?
Whittington clock. Let's try this one more time.
There is nothing to.
Alexa, stop.
Okay.
Alexa, open Audible Clock. For the millionth time. Yeah. I think my voice book has stopped speaking. I mean, a voice view.
Chat.
9. Good afternoon. Tap to dismiss. Tap. Timer.
Alexa. Oh my God! Not again.
Tap. Your timer is done. Tap to dismiss.
Okay. There we go. This is beyond already too much. Alexa, open voice book, open Audible Clock, open cancel. You're viewing the camera too?
I'm having trouble hearing.
Not that.
Can you say that again?
Stop viewing. Wait. The camera enabled itself again. Hold on a minute. In fact, what is the battle?
SOS. Or 14.
Huh? Hold on, what are you trying to say?
It's me. I want everyone to subscribe.
Oh my freaking God! It's echoing. Stop. Cancel it now.
I want everyone to subscribe to the channel.
Oh my God! You can stop echoing now. Okay, why am I echoing
Oh,
too?
sorry. I had to write. Hold on.
Great.
Hold on.
You're gonna set it
I
on. You might
want
want to set.
everyone to subscribe to the channel, and I want everyone to just hit thumbs up, turn on your post notification bells, so we know whenever me and Kimmy has to text.
The voice. Yeah.
Is it okay? Is it okay if I say your name?
Yeah, it's okay. Fine. By me.
Okay. Subscribe to me and my channel, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video.
iPhone unlock sound. Here we go. Initiate now in 3, 2, 1.